Hello, I'm in a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and today I'm going to show you how you would open the hood. So, from the driver's side here, you should see this lever that you'll pull. This will pull the safety release. And if there's no tension at all, double check this cable here is attached. If it's not, that's something you might need to address. But now that the hood's popped, you should see it slightly loose. So feel up here around the middle, there should be a lever. It's right here. So I'm gonna push and lift. Push and lift. And we got this little arm here you can use to hold it up. So now we got this arm holding it up. This is where it was connected to, so that little safety release opened it up here. This is what the latch looked like that I was pushing. So double check nothing's bent or broken. If it's sticking a lot, maybe there's some debris in here, or maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. And then double check your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if it closes crooked, that could cause issues. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.